Back in December, I bought some 90% constitutional silver with a $10 face value from SDBullion.com. I wanted to share my experience with you and show you what it was like. This was my first time ever buying constitutional silver online, and in the past I had gone to my local coin shop because the prices were good, but SD Bullion was having a sale, so I decided to check it out. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell to stay up to date. It appears from the description that they will contain possibly some mix of dimes and quarters, but that the amount of face value of the coins would be $10. I ordered it on December 10th. It arrived January 6th. To be fair, December 2020 was a terrible month to receive a package. My robot vacuum was lost in transit twice, so it does not surprise me that I experienced shipping delays. The US pre-circulated silver currency is 90% pure silver for any dimes, quarters, half dollars, or dollars minted prior to 1965. The way to tell if a US coin is silver is simply by checking if the year is 1964 or earlier. That's why they packaged the eagle facing out on both ends of the roll of the quarters they gave me. That's a security thing. I'm glad it was quarters. When I buy them, I check every single one. I think I have more half dollars than I would want, but I'm glad to get the quarters. And I make sure I check all of these. I want to share with you my 3 best reasons to own pre-circulated 90% pure US silver currency. The first is that since it is pre-circulated, it is hard to counterfeit or fake. It is easy to tell the difference between that and what is copper-based coins. Other less common coins may be faked, but since the pre-circulated silver is so common and recognizable, there is not as much incentive for a forger to try because making it look believable would be very costly and of little benefit. I imagine a forger would be more likely to try to fake a 10-ounce bar rather than a few pre-circulated US quarters. The second is that you get the best value for your money. You buy as close to spot value as possible with the least amount of markup because if you're buying this to save and invest for the future, if you want to keep everything liquid or easy to sell, then you are not planning on getting back a premium because when you sell it back to a dealer or another buyer, chances are you're going to get spot price. And therefore, you want to lower your cost basis as much as possible and pay as little a premium yourself when you buy it. The third reason is that pre-circulated 90% silver coins are easy to break up into fractional denominations because they're already broken up. I remember back in the 90s there was a phrase that people would use. It's called breaking a 20. The idea is that if you get something for only $1 or $2, you might not want to break a $20 bill because then you might spend those smaller bills more quickly. I like to think about breaking an ounce similarly. If we were in a situation where we were trading silver for food, then a physical ounce would probably be worth in purchasing power between $30 and $40 US dollars as today. That's about what I might spend for lunch at the Subway sandwich shop for the family and I don't have a problem trading an ounce of silver for that because I really like Subway and it's very convenient and everybody likes it. So if I were getting lunch for only myself, I may not want to part with a whole ounce. I might not be able to even break an ounce. I might need a smaller denomination if I were just getting a sandwich for myself. But at today's current physical silver prices, these quarters are being sold for around $6.25 each when you buy a roll. If I were ordering from Subway, I would rather spend on one of these than an ounce. And to sit down and think about it, that each one of these coins is worth so much is simply marvelous. Being able to hold it in my hand feels special. It feels like security. It feels like I am more in control of my circumstances because I own something valuable. I hope this was informative. Please be sure to check back in the future for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.